Hello guys, and welcome to another creeped out video. Right now we are heading to Walmart and we are going to pick out a Pokeball. So I'm aiming for like A24 code, I think, because those come with some chase sets that I want. So without further ado, let's go to Walmart and see what they got. Okay guys, so we are at Walmart currently, and it looks like they got all D24 Pokeball codes. So we are just gonna go ahead and pick one of them. I'm going to pick this ball. I'm not quite sure what this is, but I'm going to pick it. And I guess this is the one for the day. So I'll see you guys at home where we will unbox it. We are back at home, and yeah, we got this moon ball, and I'm super excited to unbox it. There's also a sun ball that I'm looking for to make a remix of this video. But without further ado, I actually already saw what packs are in this. So I actually did not look up what packs come in it, but we got Paradox Rift, Scarlet and Violet base set, and Obsidian Flames. And right now I'm going to look up what packs are supposed to come in it to see if they are correct or corrupt once again. It was correct. Let's go. We are starting off randomly with Obsidian Flames. I'm sorry, I got hiccups. So without further ado, let's get into it and see what we get. Let's guess a lightning. Fighting. Okay. We got Fighting, Bumblebee, Smolip, Pidgey, Combi, Winkalone, Salazzle, Lycanroc, Houndour, Barboach, and an Absol EX to kick things off. So let's go. Don't mind me with my hiccups, but let's go. Future Sight and Cursed Slug, which does 100 plus. If your opponent has 3 or fewer cards in their deck, this attack does 120 more damage. So 220 at most. This is awesome. Okay. We'll put this in the recap and go to the Scarlet and Violet. Time for some Scarlet and Violet base set. So, yeah, let's go. I kind of love this set, though. Water, okay. We got Water, Clauncher, Dolliv. I've gotten some really good cards from it. No, like, I've got some absolute bangers, so I sort of like my luck with this set. And a Quaquaval, which we will put in the recap. Alright, so for the final pack, we've got Paradox Rift, which, gosh, this is an interesting set, I gotta admit. I feel like I've opened it so much, but, like, know little about it. Like, little to none. Like, what cards are in it? But, so I don't really have any chase cards. Fire, Leaf, okay. We've got a Leaf Energy, but yeah, I'm hoping for just, like, any full art. Ferroseed, Gible, Amphibon, Snorlax Stall, I kind of like that. I cannot read all that. Tinkaton, Doublade, Miltank, and a Sheen Pow. But at least we have got, let's go into the recap. We got that Sheen Pow Holo, which I am a pretty big fan of that art. It looks really good. We got the Quaquaval Holo, another Water Holo, and then the Absol EX from the Obsidian Flames, which was probably the best hit from today. But, yeah, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It'd really help me. We are so close to 200 subscribers, just 15 away. But, yeah, without further ado, I'll see you on the next one.